The 2018 Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable midsize car, reliable and great comfortable commuter car, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: lane departure warning, traction control, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, Bluetooth, driver airbag, power steering. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.